Hello friends, welcome back. This is Pinky. So today I'm going to show you how to make healthy naan just in 2 minutes. So let's start making the naan. So to make this naan, I'm going to be using today this self-rising flour, and I have taken 2 cups of that. You can use more, depends on your family, but I'm going to use 2 cups today of this self-rising flour. I'm going to add a splash of milk to this, and I'm going to use just 1 tablespoon of kalonji or Nigel seeds. And then with a knife, I'm going to mix it together. It's that simple, just a few ingredients, and we will be ready to make our naan today. So it depends. I've just added a bit of milk, but I am going to use some more. Give it a nice mix. So as you can see, I have mixed the dough. Now I'm going to knead it. So I'm going to show you. You can use your and you'll see when it looks like really smooth from the outside, then you know that it is done. So I'm going to divide it into the dough. I'm going to divide the dough into 8 parts now. And you will need a rolling pin. So let me go ahead and divide it into 8 parts. We're going to elongate it to make it look like a naan. So I'm going to add some more flour here. Just keep it on the side. And we're going to flatten it. And what I'm going to do is, I've already greased this pan very lightly, and now I'm going to put the naan in here, and then we would. So I'll just go ahead and do 4 of them now. So I am going to go ahead and put the oven at 430 degrees Fahrenheit, and that'll kind of equates to 230 degrees centigrade. So the oven has been heated to 430 degrees, and I am going to put a timer for 2 minutes and put this inside. And we'll wait for it to be ready. The naan is ready. I'm going to go check how it is looking. Just look at this. Isn't it amazing? Just 2 minutes. But if you wanted a bit, let's say, burn, a bit, if you like the charred look, then you can keep it for a further 2 minutes. So we are all ready to taste the naan now. This looks really yummy. Just look at this, how beautiful it is, fluffy and soft. So let's taste and see how it is. And I'm going to have it with some chickpea and black-eyed peas, also known as garbanzo beans. And I tried this new recipe today. So let's see how it is. Trust me, it is indeed so tasty. I'm not making this up. You have to try it for yourself. And just takes 2 minutes. And let me know how you really liked it. So if you did like this video, please like and subscribe and leave your feedback in the comment section. Love you guys. Ciao.